everyone and welcome back to the DCTUK YouTube channel. Remember, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for all the latest videos. Today we're going to be talking all about the Nouveau Concrete tile. So this video could really help you if you are getting your carpet tiles in your home, office or anywhere where you're not too sure if the carpet tiles would fit. This will tell you all about our Nouveau Concrete product. Okay, so Nouveau Concrete, what is it? So I've got a little sample here. So from these little samples, you can't really tell much about them, but I will insert pictures of the full effect later on in the video. But what these are is, it's a carpet tile, obviously, and it's called concrete because it has a real concrete effect, which I think is really, really cool because it's fitting in with that whole new trend of 2020, 2021 of bringing the outdoors in, and it really gives that urban feel to your home or your office. And as mentioned, you can use these in your home or office, so they're good for all around in work settings or home settings. A lot of people put these in their bedroom or feature rooms, and it really makes the bedroom pop. Again, as well with the office as well, it's a little bit different to your normal plain carpet tiling. So the Nouveau Concrete comes in 5 different shades, which are these. And what's great is, again, it is our Nouveau product, so it's made here in the EU, or are we in the EU? Does anyone know? I'm not sure. But anyway, it's made in the EU, so no long shipping waits. We offer next day delivery of all our Nouveau products, so you can have this in your home or office tomorrow. Also, you can order free samples on our website of the Nouveau Concrete, so you can actually feel exactly how this feels and decide which room you will want it in. So it is a really, really soft tile, so you've got the look of the outdoors, but the softness and the coziness of having it indoors, which I think is just great, and it's a genius idea. If you're kind of skeptical on having carpet tiles in your bedroom or home area, then we do have something really cool on our website. It is our VISUALISER. So if you go on our Nouveau Concrete product and scroll down, you will see a little VISUALISER banner, so you'll just click on that and you can literally change the bedroom to whichever colour you want in this. So I think it's so cool because if you're not too sure what it's going to look like, as anyone would be if they haven't ordered before, you can literally just click on this and it will show you exactly what it's going to look like in your bedroom. Again, as I said, you can also order samples to see the look and feel, so you're really getting the whole effect before you go ahead and commit to a whole room full. Our VISUALISER is not just for our Nouveau Concrete products, it is for our other products on our website. So if you're looking at ordering any carpet tiles, then you can go on our VISUALISER and put in which carpet tiles you want, and it will show you what that's going to look like in your home or office. So the Nouveau Concrete tiles are really soft and luxurious to touch. And as I said, you're getting that outdoor vibe inside, which is so cool and so on trend right now. And as I said, you can order free samples of this so you can feel exactly how it feels without having to spend any money. If you're someone looking at decorating your house or renovating your house, or you've just moved in and you're wanting something a bit more edgy and cool, then this is definitely the product for you. Once these carpet tiles are all laid flat in your room, it really does give an amazing effect. So what's good about our Nouveau products is that they have been going for over 10 years now, so you'll never ever worry about any of these products going out of stock. They'll always be in and they'll always be available for you to order should you need to order more carpet tiles in the future. These carpet tiles are also stain safe, so anything that gets spilt on them, it's easily wiped off and very easy to repair. What's great about carpet tiles is if there's a stain that gets on one tile, you can literally just lift it up and replace it with another instead of having to replace your whole carpet, which I know what I would prefer in my house. So I really hope you've learned more about our Nouveau carpet tiles in concrete in this product video, and let me know if there's anything else you would like to know on this specific carpet tile. Just add your comments below and we can answer all your questions. And on our website we have our live chat available to help, so any questions you have on products, just pop your questions in there and our lovely team will answer for you. Remember, this is a next day delivery product, so you can have this tomorrow if you're watching this today. So to order, just go to our website at DCTUK.com. And remember, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product videos and more information on all our products across our website. But that's all for now, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!